Hello. From our last video, we were able to obtain that the derivative of sine inverse x dx as 1 all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So on the same face, we're going to get the derivative of cos inverse x with respect to dx. So the first thing you do, you equate cos inverse x to y. Then you multiply all sides by cos y. Not by cos y, by cos. So that this and this cancel out so that you can get cos y equals x. I hope you've captured up to that. So now from this point, we just get the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of cos y is negative sine y. So it will be negative sine y dy over dx equals 1. From there, we'll just rewrite the equation again since we've turned over a new leaf. Dy over dx is equals to 1. So we'll divide both sides by negative sine y. Divide by negative sine y. You know, it's okay to put the negative sign here since it just makes the whole let's say fraction negative, so that and that will cancel out. So you get dy over dx equals negative 1 all over sine y. But then remember, our equation was in terms of x, so we'll have to maintain that by using a right angled triangle. If that's our right angled triangle, and remember we had assigned cos y to x, then we can let this angle here to be y. Then cos, okay, using the acronym SOHCAHTOA, we know that cos is adjacent hypotenuse. So the adjacent of y, hypotenuse adjacent of y is x1. So we're looking for height. Using Pythagoras theorem, we know that height is the square root of hypotenuse squared minus base squared. And our hypotenuse is 1 and our base is x. Therefore, h will be the square root of 1 minus x squared. So our height will be 1 minus x squared. And we know sine y will be given by opposite all over hypotenuse. So it will be the square root of 1 minus x squared all over 1. And this will just be equal to, sine y will just be equal to the square root of 1 minus x squared. And going back to this other part, dy over dx is equals to negative 1 all over sine y. Now we've written our function back to what it was in respect to which was x. So dy over dx is equals to negative 1. Then sine y will be replaced by its value here, which is the square root of 1 minus x squared. So, and remember our y was cos inverse of x. So the derivative of cos inverse x dx is equal to negative 1 all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Hope you got it right, and if not, you can just check through the video again to get the right answer. Thank you.